Welcome to the Hackett family.
Morning.
Good morning.
So we've had an amazing little lie-in, haven't we? Oh,
Yeah,
it's been
9
nice.
a.m, which has been the best sleep we've had.
Might have been a bit later than that, to
Yeah,
be fair.
it was, definitely. Yeah.
We're now on 10:55. So we're going for a little wander round celebration. Take you with us. Grace has gone back to Universal with Liv, who's the lovely girl we met on Saturday at Disney Springs. So they've gone for a girly day up there. And then when we're done up here, we're off to Animal Kingdom.
Yeah.
We're going to turn into avatars.
Wow. We got all our leopard print ready.
Oh yeah, you're going to be animals,
Yeah.
and then we're going to Avatar.
Yeah.
You excited? Weather's a bit better since last time. Right, let's go get coffee. Coffee?
Let's go, yeah.
I love this sign. Even the alligators have got rights. So we're going to have a little chill now here in the rocking chairs. I'll put the drone up. What you got, girls?
I've got a...
Marshmallow Rice Krispie cake.
And
What did you get, Linz?
I had a skinny cappuccino with caramel.
And I got the vanilla blonde iced coffee, and it's incredible.
Oh, thank you.
Right, let's have a little chill here. Could be worse, couldn't it? Sorry, I've been told off. What did you have, Sienna?
I have two
Rice Krispie cake too.
and I got water.
Is it good? 3 girls shouting at me now. Probably not quite as elaborate, eh?
Yeah.
It is the daytime, so
I think the standard needs to be up slightly.
yeah, get the lights on. I'm just happy I didn't crash it. Last time I put it up in Blackpool, I lost it in a high wind and crashed to get it repaired. Don't use it that often. That's why Disney don't put them up in the winds.
Imagine it just crashed on someone's head.
1,200 of them. And they're a bit bigger than mine as well.
Hey guys! So we're just having a bit of a chill, bit of a pool time before we go to Animal Kingdom. How nice is it, guys?
Lovely.
So lovely, isn't it? Beautiful. It's so deep.
Yeah, it says it's that side. Let's not do that side.
Okay.
Right, it's 2:45. We're only just getting here. Girls wanted to wash their hair.
A little bit later than we expected, yes.
Closes at 6, so we'll get a few hours in. I hope we can go and do Pandora, Flight of Passage, Navi River. We might try and go to the safari, try and get Lion King in.
Yeah.
So try and do everything on the left of the park. See if the trick we used to use a couple of years ago with going to Flight of Passage just before it closes means that the wait times aren't as bad. So that's the plan.
Looks like a lot of people have left already.
Fingers crossed.
Car park does seem to look like
We just may have a slight hiccup in the operation. Someone's dozing off. Well, we're hoping with the amount of people it looks like are leaving that we should have some decent wait times. When we looked on the app just before we left home, everything was like 5-10 minutes, Safari was 15. Obviously Flight of Passage was showing 90 because it always does. Navi River was showing 70, so should be all right. beautiful walking in here, isn't it? And then we come round this next bit.
It sounds a bit bonkers. But like, does it just me or do you feel like it's a lot cooler?
Yeah, it does feel cooler today. Sometimes in this park can feel absolutely roasting, but all these beautiful trees I think give you a bit more shade at this end. Flamingos. I'd say the hottest park's Hollywood Studios.
Yeah.
There's just no shade anywhere, is there? This is the shot. Look at that. Incredible. Never gets old. One thing we have noticed then just walking in, there's no photo passes anywhere. Normally you have quite a few outside and on the way through, so maybe they finish early afternoon, I'm not sure. So we're just about to get on, someone's waking up. So we've been able to let her have a nice little sleep there because you bring your stroller pretty much until you're getting on the safari. So you can let her have a little sleep. Top of that hill there is when you take your stroller. And here we are ready for safari.
Come on in. If your family doesn't fit you. Thank you, Warden. Alrighty, Twin Day, everyone. Now, Twin Day just means let's go.
Jumbo!
Hello, in Swahili. My name is. I just received clearance. Let's go.
Did you just see him? Come on.
Individual wildebeest.
Did you see a wildebeest nice and close? What was he doing?
Some elephants ahead of us.
There's the
Whereas
elephant.
females live in herds. Oh, and there's.
You love the safari. Have some Lion King, my dear. Anything else we need first?
Yeah, we need some snacks.
$2 popcorn. This hot little animal of prey racing behind us.
Welcome. We have been expecting you. Where are you from? And my friend from England, and you are going to give me your best lion imitation. All right, pause, ready, and let's hear that roar. Roar! Whoa! Ferocious, give her a hand, you guys. Well, get the all the time 3 paws up, and I want to hear some lions. 1, 2, 3. Roar! Hey, now that's a lion. Time for the elephants. This is Paul from United Kingdom. Where are you from? And my friend from England, and you are going to give me your best lion imitation. All right, pause, ready, and let's hear that roar. Roar! Whoa! Ferocious, give her a hand, you guys. Well, get the all the time 3 paws up, and I want to hear some lions. 1, 2, 3. Roar! Hey, now that's a lion. Tanzania!
everyone. It's me, Simba. You've
What a wonderful phrase! Ain't no passing parade. Hakuna Matata. What's going on here? What are you doing? Well, this stinks. Sorry, no, not you, Pumbaa. They're ruining my big number.
How was that? Did you like the Lion King show?
Yeah.
Were you the star of the show?
Yeah.
Right, let's go to Pandora. Oh, she's been asking for a night blossom for ages. Sienna wants one of the balls. Is it good? Mummy, have some? So we've tried the pineapple spring rolls this time. You ready, Lynn? We've never tried these. Cheers.
I'm gonna try.
Is it good?
Pineapple and cream cheese in like a little wrap.
I'm gonna try the pimple.
So Luscious Lindsay's pineapple spring roll review.
So I'm glad we've had one because I've always thought, oh, I wonder what they're like. But I don't think I'd rush to get another one. We've tried it. It's tasty, but not like, I wouldn't be like, oh, this is amazing. I think we could have done with being a little bit more cooked on the outside.
Yeah?
A little bit more crispy in the sense that the pastry was a bit soggy on one side. One side was like crispy.
Quite wet, wasn't it?
It was wet.
It was nice though, it was alright, like I say, first time we tried it. Glad we did.
I'm glad we tried it.
Quite refreshing, it just didn't feel like I've eaten anything.
Yeah.
Maybe you need a big fat burger.
Yeah, we've not really had a proper meal today, have we?
No, there's a reason for that.
Yeah.
Where are we
Where
going?
we're going for dinner.
Right, showing an 85-minute wait. We're going to try and do Flight of Passage. Scratch that, 105 minutes. Let's put it to the test. So this is Sienna's first time on Flight of Passage, and we're probably more excited than she is to go on a ride because we just want her to experience this. It's going to be amazing.
Wait to see her little face.
It's such a good ride. We're gonna go
Ride a banshee.
I don't like to tickle me.
He's going to
Tickle, yeah?
between your legs. It will
Oh yeah,
tickle.
we'll go. She's knocking me over.
I got you.
What, by giving me whiplash?
Stevens, they're ready.
Can everyone see me? Great.
Welcome to the Avatar program. Okay, start scan. You've all got them. But don't worry, they're very common around these parts. Avatars, which look a lot like the Na'vi. They're created.
Good.
Step up
Sienna,
gather
what
your
did you
belongings,
think?
and exit the link chamber.
You love it? What do you think, Scarly?
So good. Love that ride. The best ride.
Was it good? You want to do it again?
Yes.
Did you like that?
Yeah, I love the jelly biscuit and I love all of it.
Wait, do you want to do it again? No? Yes, you do.
I don't.
Alright, you can stay outside next time.
No.
You like it, girl?
Yeah, loved it. Love that ride. It's so good.
Right. We've got 10 minutes till park closes. 70 minutes for Navi River. Let's see how this goes. So we need to actually talk about these adorable little outfits that the girls have got
Try and
on.
do a little bit of a matchy for Animal Kingdom, don't we, girls?
So where's yours from, babe?
So mine is from Primark.
What about the girls?
Bargain.
What about the girls?
So, from
Crocs, then I've got Sheen, like bodysuit.
From Shein?
Yeah, and then my little scrunchies from DHD.
We've had them forever, yeah. And then Sienna's is from Shein. Oh! And her ears are from Magical Days Boutique. Oh,
And where are they
yeah. From Shein. So you can get these ears on, you can find Magical Days Boutique on Instagram. They've got a brilliant Etsy store. Check them out. They're really, really good ears for the kids because they're a lot looser and not as heavy and as the ones that Lindsay's got on. She's got a heavy head so she can handle them.
Yeah, I can cope with it.
You got an empty head. So we had a guess, didn't we, before we got on? I said 6:20. You said 6:30. I think Scarlett said 6:40. And Sienna said we'd get on the right.
50 minutes. So that's 6:30.
I made a note of this,
Okay.
so let's just go.
So we got on at 5:50. Yeah. And I said we'd get on at 6:20. 30 minutes. Yeah.
You know, this could take 15 minutes.
I said 40 minutes.
Yeah. So Sienna said,
I said 60 minutes.
what did Scarlett say?
Scarlett said 50.
So it's now 6:15. Oh, looks like Daddy gets a free meal tonight.
Yeah, you can pay for yourself all day long.
No, I mean you lot are paying for me. You're paying for me tonight. I win the bet.
I have no pennies.
Oh.
What are you talking about?
That was
Oh, we have a domestic going on. There's some trouble in the wildlife, mate. What's going on over here?
that was so good, that ride. I love it every time. Like the animatronic at the end.
Yeah, it's incredible, isn't it? And we got lucky because it was on, so it didn't mean you got the black screen. It's so good. Where's Sienna gone? Has she finished shouting at mummy? Was that good?
Yeah.
Are you okay, honey?
I'm really good.
How did you think of the ride? Got a bit misty. So the park is now closed. 27 minutes ago. So we're going to wander out. We're going to see if we can get some pictures. And then we're going to get in the car. And I think we're going to go to the Cheesecake Factory. Cheesecake Factory?
Cheesecake Factory!
You alright? What you doing, babe? And boom.
I was looking for, I had a lip sore and I was like, oh no, I've lost it, but I remember that.
Guess diet's gonna have to start Monday. Oh, it is Monday.
You want to watch that?
So we're at the one near Vineland. We were gonna go up to Mall of Millennia, but we decided go to this one. If we've got time, we'll take the girls to the Disney Store outlet, and then we're 10 minutes from home. So just made sense for tonight. So we're just sat near the bar waiting for our drinks. Scarlett has got her usual. What have you had, Scarlett?
Pink lemonade.
Is it good?
So good, love that. And I've got my usual.
What's that?
After
Hot
a
water?
hard day at Disney, deserve yourself one little glass of wine to wash down your delicious meal.
You haven't got your meal.
Okay, free drinks.
I got apple juice.
What's that really?
It's a fake candle.
It's a fake.
Apple juice.
I've got a...
The bread has arrived. Go on then, girls.
Get stuck in.
The tastiest bread. And
Ever.
butter.
The world's best bread. Come to Cheesecake Factory if you'd like to try.
So I'm not going to show the menu too much because it just goes on for days. Appetizers, small plates, hamburgers and sandwiches, salads, lunch specials, specialities. I think you'd be best going online and having a look if you need to look in advance. Cheesecakes, look at them all. It's ridiculous. Desserts. What are you having?
Mac and cheese.
There's also a Skinnylicious menu, but we're on our holiday, so we're not interested in that. What's hilarious is the Skinnylicious menu, everything's still 600 calories. So while we've been waiting for our food, we've had a little name game going on. So we're going to put it on camera.
We've
for a
literally
little
been
bit.
killing ourselves laughing. Everyone in this restaurant thinks
Can I,
we're on
can I
like...
just point out we've done 2 rounds, who's won both?
And Daddy's one.
No, because technically
We've done
I said
Disney
Ron
princesses
Weasley.
and
I
Universal.
said
So
Ron Weasley, and then you said Ron Weasley. So
right, we're going to go Pixar characters.
woo!
I'll say a Pixar character, Sienna. Yep, okay, Taylor Swift. Congratulations, Taylor Swift. You are now a Pixar character. Go on, Scarlett.
Go on,
Woody.
Buzz.
Jessie.
Next one, Sienna. Come on. Who?
Sorry.
Yep.
Mr. Potato Head.
Mike Wazowski.
Bo Peep, baby.
Run, CC. You get the gist, guys. Right, so chicken strips. Look at that mac and cheese. Wow. They look good. So I've got the pineapple crispy chicken because I didn't get my usual because Lindsay jumped in the parade. She's gone for the bang bang chicken and shrimp.
I'm very,
My
very jealous of
all-time
yours, though.
favourite. What?
Looks insane, that.
Do they both
so
do?
good. They do both do, yeah. Scarlett.
She loves the mac and cheese here. It is the creamiest, cheesiest mac and cheese in the world.
Stop.
That's the chippies.
Okay. Oh my days. This looks insane. This could be one of my new favourites.
Wow. Wow. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
That's
wow.
incredible.
Oh wow.
Right. That's that stuck in, girls.
This is definitely a 10 out of 10. Try chicken good one, Sierra. Alright. Go on then.
How's it going, Scarlett?
So good.
We've done a little swapsy over. Good. She's so funny. How's it going, Lynn?
It's absolutely
It's amazing,
the
isn't it?
most amazing thing I've ever tasted.
I would recommend that to anyone.
Bang bang
This is
chicken and
really
shrimp.
nice as well. It's dead, quite sweet and quite refreshing. It's really nice. Really, really good. I just realised that technically I've had a healthy meal. I've had an orange beer, pineapple chicken, and I've had a sip of a strawberry lemonade. So I've had 3 of my 5 a day today. Proud of me. On holiday, I've had 3 fruit.
You've done well. You've done really
Proud of
well.
myself.
How are we doing, Ash? I, on the other hand, demolished it. So good. The food is just insane. Like the flavours in that. The flavours in my dinner tonight was just, I had the bang
Leave your
bang
best
chicken,
one.
my new favourite. Coconut chicken's gone off the menu, so I'm now on bang bang chicken and shrimp.
My
And
favourite.
the shrimp was just like cooked to perfection, like a little bit crispy, like they'd obviously fried it slightly. Yeah, it's just so good.
I think this is only once of that 2 times of all the times we've been to Cheesecake Factory. We've probably been to different Cheesecake Factories maybe 15 times. But I've not had bang bang chicken. It's amazing. But this was
I'll
really
let you
good.
try it.
Well,
I'll let you try it.
you let me try it.
I'll let you have a little taster.
It's like, you know, when a Hoover soups everything up and there's a few crumbs left around the edges.
That was me.
That was how I
So
got to
first
try
big
it.
meal today, though, of the day.
Yeah?
We've done well to get to this time. We've only had snacks, and the kids have had cereal, and
Oh no, you're so hard done by, aren't you?
we've snacked our way around our animal
really.
kingdom.
We only had popcorn and that Animal Kingdom thing.
Yeah, we've
More
had a
pineapple,
few,
more
we've had
fruit.
More fruit, yeah.
More fruit for me.
But yeah, the kids had snacks at the villa, which was, and we just thought we'd save ourselves because we know how full we get here.
Your stuff.
I need rolling
She's
out.
stuffed. She doesn't need cheesecake. Saved
Oh,
me
no,
like
no,
30
no, no,
quid.
no, I definitely need cheesecake.
You're stuffed.
Take it back with us.
Okay. So we've got 3 cheesecakes because Grace has sent her orders, cheeky little madam. 30th chocolate celebration or something. We've got the salted caramel, and Scarlett's got some form of Oreo Dream Extreme. We'll show you properly later, but yeah, I don't want to get them out of the bag and ruin them. So these are all the different cheesecakes that they show here in the counter. Lindsay did ask for one of each, but fortunately they're $10 each. And I love you, babe, but I don't love you enough to be able to pay $10 per cheesecake.
Why did we not go for the celebration cake? Grace, get that. Celebration cake looked real
Celebration?
good.
Is there one about your wife doing your wedding? The wife do your wedding cake.
Sienna! It's really kind.
Full of chocolate and goodness to try and cheer you up. Right, it's 9:15. This one's desperate to go to the Disney store. Closes at 9. It works out well because she's only got 15 minutes. Not looking forward to this at all. Picking that basket up for?
So we definitely need a basket.
Who did? Always all Halloween stuff already.
Guys, should
How
I
much
get
are
one of
the
these?
Wait,
You got the muscles for it,
talk
haven't you?
about Bruce.
How much is the costume? How much is Mirabelle?
Mirabelle is $7.99.
$7.99. Have you got one for Sienna? So I've got spirit jerseys are $30, but at the minute with annual pass you get 20% off in January. I've got Animate Earth for $12.99.
The Cocoa Pillow.
Cocoa pillow. Oh, okay. Guys. Oh, Christmas decoration.
I'm going to go quick.
They tend to, but the lights are going out.
Quick rush round. Check everywhere out.
Wishes, $12.99. Cute. Loads of clothes. Lots of stuff. I've got loads of spirit jerseys in. All $25. Avatar.
It's fine.
Grogu, Spider-Man, Haunted Mansion.
This, Daddy, this was $40 in the park. It's $7.
$7. Wonderful. How do we get that home?
Carry it.
Okay. Yes, dear. This looks a lot worse than it is.
Successful?
Well, you got a big giant squishy, didn't you?
Yeah.
Which is $6.
Meant to be like $40 in the park.
And how exactly are we going to get that home? And then what have you got there?
Well, this for Elsie.
Oh, she got two for her friends that we're not going to tell you about, so they don't know they've got it, and then one for Sienna.
And then
Lucky
I got
girl.
the Baby Yoda Lounge Bar.
You've got no money left now. So here's Scarlett's Loungefly, which she got for $20 with our past discount.
It's meant to be $78.
Wow. Oh, salted caramel. Very good.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Me and Stella are just going to be normal, not cut it in half.
Ash is going in for the kill.
It says the Oreo is over there.
Oh, wow. Say what?
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Good, Ash?
Try some.
Yeah. Was that pieces of hard caramel?
So good.
Really good.
Ready?
Happy birthday, babe. It's a cheesecake.
Stop, it's so good.
Is it good?
So good.
I'm so full.
Food coma. Sienna, you in a food coma? Bro's just
Tired.
tired. Tired.
Right, we're going to go dip our feet in the pool and let them rest, recuperate on ice. Let the cat rest.
Cat's been resting all day.
Lovely chilled morning. We did all right in Animal Kingdom, didn't we?
Really good.
Safari, Lion King, both Avatar rides.
Lovely walk round.
Did good. I do like Animal Kingdom. It's a shame it's not big. I know what they've announced will make it a little bit bigger, but it is a shame it's not a bigger park because you can very easily do one day in Animal Kingdom and have done everything, can't you? But it's a
We
beautiful
need like a
park.
roller coaster or something.
We've got a roller coaster. Everest.
Oh yeah, or like
It is a
something more
beautiful,
upbeat.
beautiful car park though.
Yeah, we love it.
Good food tonight.
I'm just so full.
Cheesecake Factory is incredible. You just got to be prepared for the calories and the cost.
And the stuff.
The stuffiness, yeah.
Yeah. And then you had a successful trip to the Disney store.
Disney store.
Very successful.
Very successful.
Daddy's
Lots
brassic.
of bargains. Lots and lots of bargains.
Oh, show your bag.
Oh yeah.
Ooh,
Oh.
drop the camera. $15.
Got a nice little Disney World bag, little shopper.
That's that. Looks like my Spirit jersey.
If and when we go to the beach, little beach day bag.
Looks like my Spirit jersey, Lynn.
Does it?
Right, I'm going to bed. Well, after I've dipped my feet.
Sienna's gone to go play.
Sienna's got to play with Aurora. She can't be bothered.
Grace hasn't got home from Universal yet. She's still out.
Yeah, we're going to do it now. Who's doing it?
Me.
Go on then. Ready?
Make sure you like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell.
Not smash
and
me.
comment down below.
What's your favourite?
What's your favourite animal in Animal Kingdom?
And I've got also what's your favourite food in Cheesecake Factory.
I know.
Or what's your
What's
favourite
your
cheesecake?
favourite ride of Avatar?
Avatar. Oh, good one.
Avatar.
Avatar.
Night, guys.
Good night.
Favourite animal in Animal Kingdom. Bye! Mwah.